like this, so I don't want to be somebody will be ruining my day. I'm going to take you somewhere and it's a surprise. Here we don't have a zebra crossing. My friend, my colleague Thomas. सो हेलो गाइस, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सब ठीक होंगे, घरों पर होंगे और बहुत ज़्यादा खैर खैरियत के साथ होंगे. सो वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग, वेलकम टू माय डेली व्लॉग. I hope so you guys enjoying my Prague series. I already uploaded my one new video. So the next video you will be got soon also in the next week, in the start of the next week. So today I upload my new video, the Prague part number 4. So like this you can enjoy it, my neighbors. So like this you can enjoy and get more information about the Prague if you decide to go over there. So the thing is, the reason to make the vlog of today, that I'm going to take you somewhere and it's a surprise. So let's go. I have my coffee here with me. So I'm just ready to go out, and on the way we will be talk a little bit, and then I will be show you where I'm going to take you, because it's a surprise vlog. तो जी भाई लोग, तो सीन ये है यहाँ का, 3 दिन हुए हैं, मौसम टोटली चेंज हो गया. बारिश की वजह से थोड़ा सा पानी है नीचे, इसलिए एहतियात से चलना पड़ रहा है. टोटली चेंज हो चुका है मौसम, और रात को तो सर्दी होती है, जैकेट वगैरह पहन के बाहर निकलना पड़ता है, अगर पतली सी, मोटी नहीं. तो नॉर्मल ये ऐसे क्लाउडी है तो बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी बन जाती है एकदम. लोगों ने वैसे भी अपना वो चेंज कर दिया, अपना कपड़े पहनने का तरीकाकार. उन्होंने नॉर्मल ये तकरीबन जिसे कहते हैं ऑटो वाले कपड़े निकाल लिए हुए हैं. मौसम का यहाँ का बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता. इट्स रियली strange weather here, is getting changed really faster here. Like 4 days before it was like kind of 38 centigrade, 38 Celsius or something like this. So after this it suddenly changed within 4 days. It's in like, and now we are in 17 plus 17 plus 18 every day. So maximum yesterday it was like a plus 20. And it's super windy and cloudy, and some of the times it's raining. Yesterday night it was raining a lot, and it's really, I really like this kind of weather. I don't like hot anymore because when it's hot you are like, you can't go in the sun because sun can burn you. But there's a lot of activities, the water activities, like we've been to the lake and everything. But after that I didn't been to the lake because of my schedule change. Should be very careful, left and right. You should be look around and then cross the street, because here we don't have a zebra crossing. The zebra crossing only they have in the priority places. For example, if there is a school or a hospital or something like this, but normally I didn't see. It's pretty cool, very pretty nice weather. Okay, so guys, I'm going to take a tram. So there is a main street, so I should be very careful. I can't film anymore, so stay with me. चलो जी, मास्क वगैरह आपके भाई ने पहन लिया, ये तो सबसे पहले है. और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे साथ लोग खड़े हुए हैं, इन्होंने भी, किसी ने मास्क पहना, किसी ने नहीं पहना होगा. इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं ट्राम का मेरी तरह. और ट्राम ये बस आ चुकी है, ये देखें, ये साइड से मेरी ट्राम आ रही है, तो उसमें बैठ कर मैं जाऊँगा. ट्राम के अंदर यार awkward लगता है थोड़ा सा बोलना, बिकॉज द पीपल इज स्टेयरिंग एट यू लाइक, I don't know, because I will be speaking the English or Urdu, so I will be not speaking the German, so the people will be look at me like like this. So I don't want to be somebody will be ruining my day. So here we go. सो फ्रेंड्स हियर वी गो। सो आपने देखा कि मैं आपको एक जगह पे लेकर आया हूँ और ये मेरा एक कोलीग भी वहाँ से आ रहा है। इससे भी आपको मैं थोड़ी देर बाद मिलाऊंगा, सबसे मिलाऊंगा मैं इस टाइम अपने स्कूल में हूँ जहाँ मैं जर्मन लैंग्वेज का कोर्स कर रहा हूँ। और ये है यहाँ की बिल्डिंग और यहाँ पे एक ये छोटा सा इन्होंने वेटिंग एरिया बनाया हुआ है। अंदर क्लास में भी आपको लेके जाऊँगा मैं, तो फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, क्योंकि क्लास शुरू होने वाली है, 5 मिनट रह गए हैं, लेट ना हो जाऊँ मैं, तो बेहतर यही है कि क्लास में चला जाऊँ। बाद में ब्रेक में और ज़्यादा बातें होंगी और ज़्यादा चीज़ें आपको दिखाऊंगा मैं। सो हियर वी गो, हियर इज़ माय फ्रेंड, माय कोलीग Thomas.
Alles gut?
Alles gut. So we are waiting for the class and we left just like 5 minutes, and there's a other colleague, he's coming. Everybody is on time. So let's go to the class. तो जी फ्रेंड्स, अब ब्रेक का टाइम हो चुका है मेरी। अभी मैं बाहर निकला हूँ, 30 मिनट की ब्रेक होती है। एंड इन 30 मिनट्स यू कैन गो आउटसाइड, फॉर एग्जांपल इन द गार्डन एरिया, एंड देयर यू कैन हैव ड्रिंक ऑफ कॉफ़ीज or whatever you are talking with the colleagues. And you must have to wear the mask all the time inside the building because it's a rules. If they will be catch you, they can be very angry. So this is the building inside where I'm studying. It's a school and it's not a small building, it's huge property here. You can use the stairs or we have other option, it's more easy to going by the lift. Here they have a lot of classes and different kind of courses they are doing. Different activities. It's just not like you can come here for learn German, you can come here for other languages also. They have a lot of courses here. So that's a lift. Please enter only 2 persons at the same time. With marks, turn on. And we have another way. You can go by the stairs. Here's a smoker stations for the peoples. And this is the stairs. I don't want to go by the stairs. Let's go by lift. So the thing is, we are starting again the course. The course is open again for everyone. So I am going to finish my A2 level, like I hope so. Yeah, 9th September. So we are going to start our new level B1 in September also, like a mid of the September again. I have to press it or go down. So as I was, oh wow, it's opening automatically again. I don't know. So the thing is, I will be show you something, and I will be tell you if you need some information about how to learn German and where to have to go, because there are very specific courses they have now, especially where the city I'm living because of the coronavirus and situation. And limited, it's like very limited here. So it's very good luck because I started this course like almost 10 months before. Yeah, so if you have any question about the German, where to go and how to learn, and it's not an easy language to learn, it is the one of the hardest language you can learn. So let's go outside. So it's break time. I will show you more things.
are using this situation also making other people, other normal people under pressure because of this bad guy. For example, people come, for example, some family can, yeah, some family can go from local because really they need help, and because of
So guys, we are just talking here randomly with the colleagues, and we're just talking about like random things, what's going on here, and so that's a thing. I was talking to you that we have a lot of peoples in the class, and some because of the corona situations, people are even in the break. We are sitting, we are keeping a distance inside, and we are standing like this. And some people are over there, some people are over there. Like we are keeping kind of distance and having a just enjoy our 30 minutes of break. So that's my school that I was always telling you in the videos that I will be gonna show you, and finally I show you. So maybe I hope so if you will be give me some good feedbacks, and I will be make more videos and talk more with my colleagues and show you more. And if you have some questions, for example, where to go for learn the German, how to learn the German, it is a easy language or hard language or whatever, you can ask me. And we left only like a 5 days more for finish this A2 level, and then I will be gonna start B1 level, and B1 level it will be a more hard level. So if you guys are living here and interesting to learn the German, so you can contact with me. I can make a small short videos in my Instagram or on my TikTok or my YouTube also for guide you guys how the things is going on here. If you have any question, feel free and ask me. Okay, so see you in the next vlog. Bye.